Propectin is a pure pharmaceutical-grade, highly soluble apple pectin product that mixes quickly in water and tastes like delicious, mild apple nectar. 3 grams of pure apple pectin dissolves completely in 200 milliliters of water and is quickly absorbed by the body. Propectin has a unique capacity to bind with heavy metals through a process called chelation. Apple pectin has been proven in many clinical studies to bind with a dangerous radioactive isotope, cesium-137, and help remove it from the body. Once cesium-137 enters the body through contaminated food, water, or air, the body absorbs it much like potassium, since cesium-137 mimics potassium's chemical properties. It is quickly distributed fairly uniformly throughout the body's soft tissues. Lodged throughout the body, cesium-137 particles fire radioactive isotopes at close range into healthy tissue, damaging the DNA, which directs all activities within the cell. These damaged cells can mutate and become cancer cells. Cancer cells continue to form new abnormal cells, which can in time become tumors or cause other damage to the body. In the reproductive system, this cell mutation can cause stillbirths or fetal deformities. Cesium-137 also causes damage to the heart. The pure apple pectin contained in Propectin is a molecule that binds cesium-137 particles in a claw-like grip and escorts them out of the body through the normal elimination process. For those at risk of radiation contamination, regularly consuming Propectin can help the body reduce its level of dangerous cesium-137. Cesium-137 can remain in the body for many years. The longer it is in the body, the greater the chance for serious damage.